What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest micro cap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and like always, I got a special project for you guys in this one. But before we get into that, Meme Coin Daily 914 subscribers, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Getting content creators videos in the algorithm could definitely get new eyes on your project, and the project we're going to be covering in this video is Shiba Inu's girlfriend. Now, we have covered Shina a couple times before, and I'm happy to see the performance of the chart and how well the project is doing in a bear market. Guys, think about that. It's performing this well in a bear market. Imagine how well it will perform in a bull market. I'm telling you guys, right? Shina should be right next to Shiba in the top 100 as Shiba's girlfriend, guys. Before we go any further into the video, just gotta let you guys know I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky, very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, when we head over the coin market cap of Shina, you'd see there's 13,555 people that has Shina on their watch list, guys. $11.9 million in market cap, 743k in 24-hour trade volume. I think the first time I covered the project, it was sitting around 3 to 5 mil, so it's already up 3 to 4x from where I first covered the project, guys. That is super bullish, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, it's performing this well in a bear market. The team, the community, you guys are super base. You guys have been putting in that work, and when it comes time for the bull market, Shina Inu could be one of those projects that sends to like next levels, because when Doge is running and Shiba is running, Shiba's girlfriend Shina will run. We have to think from a psychological perspective about like new retail that's coming into the space. They will be looking for, when they first get used to Uniswap, they'll be looking for projects that are similar to Doge and Shiba. They'll figure out eventually that, man, the market caps on these are super high. Isn't there any low cap projects that have like a good team, good community, great memeability about them that I could, take a chance on? And they'll see a project like Shina and be like, huh, Shiba Inu's girlfriend, oh man, that sounds like a cool project that I could get into. And then when the huge FOMO hits, the stock market is going crazy, the crypto market is going crazy, Ethereum, Bitcoin is on its way to 100k, Ethereum on its way to 10k. Shina Inu, like I said, could possibly be one of those senders that go crazy in the bull market. Look at how it's performing right now when everything is absolutely bearish. 4x up from the first time that I covered it on the channel, and I could only imagine how well it will do in the future, guys. Just look at the trade volume for Shina, guys, up 188%. They have utility altcoins that I'm holding on to right now that are just stuck in place. And then we have a project like Shina absolutely tearing it up in this market with the market conditions that we have. And the Ethereum whales, they know something, you know what I'm saying? You gotta follow the money in the space. When we pull up EtherScan, I already got it pulled up for you guys. We got Joe Grower right here, you know what I'm saying? Holding a super nice bag of Shina and many other whales in the project as well. These whales are super strong whales. They are holding the floor. They're some of the best whales I've seen in a minute, guys. Because once you have good whales in a project, the floor price for the project will maintain that stability. And we know how volatile meme coins can get. With that floor price maintaining that stability, a huge swing to the upside is not difficult for a project like Shina, guys. When we hop over the DEX tools, the chart proves it, guys. I was covering Shina somewhere around here, that we had this huge move to the upside. People took profits, you know what I'm saying? We had a bit of a retrace, but look at that. We held the whales are holding the floor, you know what I'm saying? We didn't come back down to here. You know what I'm saying, guys? We held the floor. We made a higher low, and then we continued up further. You know what I'm saying? We may have another retrace, hold the floor again, and then continue up further, and then, you know, that pattern just repeats going into the bull market, guys. So it's gonna be crazy to see, you know what I'm saying? Now, obviously, nothing is guaranteed in crypto. When it comes to the degen space, it's high risk, high reward, and there's a few projects in the degen space that you definitely have to keep an eye out for. And I really believe Shina is one of those projects, guys. Think about all the degen projects that launch on ERC over and over again. Hundreds of different projects daily, but a set number of projects have been reoccurring, going right back to the DEX tools trending on a consistent basis. Shina is one of those projects, guys. When there's projects that come and go constantly, like over and over again, there's a bunch of plays that just come and go. Shina has been here and has been holding up very well, and it doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere, guys. Now we're gonna take a look at some tweets and see the social engagement, see where other retail investors headspaces are at when it comes to Shi. We have a tweet from Degen Shelbs. Fellow degenerates, for the past few weeks I've researched every prominent low cap. In my opinion, even small investments in these four as lifetime opportunities will accrue significant amounts of wealth over time. Shi 11 million, Sani 5 million, Dion 4 million, YDF 11.5 million. And this is what I'm seeing right here. Shi has been getting a lot of love, and it keeps getting love in crypto Twitter. A lot of people always mention Shina. You know what I'm saying? This is what it takes for when it comes to new investors coming into the space. They'll look into it, they'll research, they'll be like, huh, Shi could be a good play. Let me take a chance on Shi. And this is what you see constantly. 83 likes, 18 retweets. Someone commented, mercenary anon, Shi will retire generations, nothing more, nothing less. Tweet from Degen Spark, Shina Inu is the easiest 100x on the market right now, with enough liquidity to support whale buys. This is how I expect the chart to look in a few months time. Shiba will marry Shi, sitting right next to each other on coin market cap. Shiba will marry Shi. And you see this? Look at this chart, guys. Look at when it came out, just sideways accumulation, moving up. And he expects another huge move to the upside from here. And I wouldn't even say this is a far-fetched take, guys, because that's just how crypto is. You know what I'm saying? Things just send and go crazy, guys. I'm telling you. From Chart Guru, Shi PA update, 35 days and we are back at recent all-time high levels. Resistance was and is still very strong here. However, this push seems much more stable, because them whales are holding the floor on Shi. A fear consolidation period prior to the drive. I think we could BO this time. I have two perspectives below. BO means break out. So look at his TA right here, guys. It is sideways accumulation break. Tried to break resistance right here, but then we had a retrace back down to a previous support. But like you guys see this, we turned that previous support into a higher low, then we moved up again, and this time we probably turn this into support and then move up further, guys. Let's see what happens, you know what I'm saying? And then he has another chart right here. Let me zoom in real quick so I can see just a tad bit better. Very strong demand and buying power driving price through this zone. One retest successful, high low. Second retest successful after pullback. Need price to break above this area for continued momentum to the upside. And like I said, I wouldn't rule it out for that to happen. And once we break this resistance, we start flying, guys. Tweet from NZ Trader. Very few coins got their logo brand right from the start. Shina is one, Giga is another. When you see it works and it doesn't age. It's got an edge and an identity, something different. That's what you gotta look for in meme coins, guys. Meme ability. It's a meme coin, right? It's a degen play. It has to have that meme ability. There's no better narrative than to have Shiba Inu'S girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? That's a super great narrative, especially when we get into, you know, meme coin season. Everybody and their mama looking for meme coins. There's no better narrative than Shiba Inu'S girlfriend. So I'm sure a lot of the new retail, a lot of new people that come to the space and check out ERC, go to Ethereum, get on Uniswap, they'll be picking Shina as one of the plays they have to get into, guys. Another tweet from Eric Crypto Man, 66k followers, very legit name in the space. I always check his tweets. She resistance looking strong. How will this ever break up? And we have the Cheetos meme right here trying to keep the door locked. Nah, we're gonna break through that resistance. I know the Shina community is super based, so that resistance is gonna melt like butter, guys. It's gonna get out of here instantly. Just a snap, crunch, push that door open straight through that resistance, and then Shina will continue up higher. With a community as based as you guys, the Shina community, I can't put anything past y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all doing y'all best to make the impossible possible, you know what I'm saying? Tweet from Funway just saying $she, and we have the she chart, and then right next we have the sheep chart. They are so similar in patterns. They are absolutely so similar in patterns. This is a tweet. These are the images that I saw every time I check crypto Twitter. I see the she community sharing the similar charts of how the she and sheep chart are so similar to each other, and who's to say it can't play out exactly like this? Once you have a based team, once you have a based community, anything is possible in the crypto space, guys. Like I said, expect the unexpected. The projects that you more than likely fade, those are the ones that are the senders, you know what I'm saying? It happens to me all the time. I fade a project and then all of a sudden, oh man, it's sending, you know what I'm saying? Shina community, if you made it to the end of the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Let me get your thoughts on the project down in the comment section, and if this is your first time hearing about Shina, Shiba Inu's girlfriend, let me get your thoughts down in the comment section as well. Everything she and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.